Good afternoon to each and everyone. So, I am Nika Dawaling for today's reporter. So, my topic for today is all about regions between curves, section 6.2, exercises number 69. So, area of a curve defined implicitly. Determine the area of the shaded region bounded by the curve x squared is equals to y raised to the power of 4 times the quantity of 1 minus y cube. So, makita na to na siya here sa figure. So, atong pangitaon diri kay ang shaded area nga naa sa y-axis. So, the equation x squared is equals to y raised to the power of 4 times the quantity of 1 minus y cube is symmetric about the y-axis because replacing x with negative x does not change the equation. To find the total area, we can find the area to the right of the y-axis and multiply by 2. So now, solving for x in terms of y, we have here x is equals to plus and minus square root of y raised to 4 times the quantity of 1 minus y cube is equals to plus and minus y squared square root of 1 minus y cube. So, gisolve na to na siya si x by applying square root. So, the shaded region is in the upper half plane. Looking at the graph on the equation, the curve exists where 1 minus y cube is kana siya natin itong graph. So magamit og pen na siya. So the curve exists where 1 minus y cube is greater than or equal to 0, which means y cube is less than to 1 or y less than or equal, less than or equal to 1 or y less than or equal to 1. The loop starts at the origin in 0 and 0 and ends at 0 and 1. So therefore, the limits of the integration for y are from 0, limits are from 0 to 1. So the total area A is given by A is equals to 2 from 0 to 1 x dy is equals to 2 from 0 to 1 y squared square root of 1 minus y cubed dy. To solve the integral of y squared square root of 1 minus y cubed dy, we use u substitution. So, mag-use tag u substitution. Let u is equals to 1 minus y cubed. So, then, du is equals to negative 3y squared dy, and it goes on y squared dy is equals to negative 1/3 du. Change the limits. So we change the limits when y is equal to 0, u is equals to 1, minus 0 cube is equals to 1. So atong gi-apply diri kanira diri si u nga naa sa babaw. So when y is equal to 1, so u is equals to 1 minus 1 cube is equals to 0. So now we substitute into the integral. A is equals to 2. So, balik ta diri sa tong integral, naka-create na tag equation nga a is equals to 2 from integral 1 to 0 square root of u times the quantity of negative 1/3 du. So, the initial integral expression after substitution is given as a is equals to 2, kani siya. And then the constant factor, we have here negative 1/3. So is move up outside the integral sign. So we get a is equals to negative 2/3 from 1 to 0 u raised to the power of 1/2 du. So ano siya, naka-create na ta og equation. Then to remove the negative sign, the limits of integration are reversed from 1 to 0 to 0 to 1. So para ma-remove na to ni ang negative sign diri, so ato siyang ibali ang integration. So mahimo na siyang a is equals to, or the area, 2/3 from 0 to 1 u raised to 1/2 du. Then the expression u raised to 1/2 is integrated using the power rule for integration. So applyan na to siya og power rule integration. Kani siya integral u n du is equals to u raised to power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. So we get a is equals to 2/3 bracket of u raised to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 to 0 to 1. So therefore, the expression inside the brackets is simplified and the integral is evaluated at the limits. So nahimo na siyang a is equals to 2 over 3 times 2 over 3 bracket of u raised to the power of 3 over 2 0 to 1. So therefore, we have a is equals to 4 over 9. So by applying the multiplying of fractions, so naman siyang 4 over 9 times the quantity of 1 raised to the power of 3 over 2 minus 0 raised to the power of 3 over 2. So we get here, so kani siya, ato ni siyang i-solve, mahimo ni siyang a is equals to 4 over 9. I-times na nato na siya. So, kani siya, diri, mahimo na siyang 1 minus, kani siya, mahimo na 0. So, we get 4 over 9 times 1. So, therefore, our area here is equals to 4 over 9. So, the area of the shaded region is 4 over 9 square units. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening.